Good afternoon everyone. I am Abhishek Anand. Now I will explain the applications and limitations of blockchain technology. So nowadays companies and government are seeing the blockchain technology as revolutionary one because it cuts the need of middlemen and can also be used for the decentralization of process. So first we will discuss the applications of blockchain technology. It is a type of digital coin which can be exchanged via network. Second, healthcare. Yes, blockchain technology can be used to maintain the records of patients. This makes the patient's data available to the doctors anywhere, anytime. It makes the recovery time and the treatment of patients faster. Third, law enforcement. Yes, blockchain technology can be used to maintain the records of criminals. What happens that many criminals leave the country after attempting the crime and move to the another country. So in such cases, the data of criminals can be made available to the other country government officials or law officials. Fourth, voting protocol. Yes, the current voting system is very time consuming and not accurate. So by using blockchain technology, the accuracy can be achieved and the real time counting is also possible. As we know, every coin has two faces, so blockchain technology has some limitations too. So now I will discuss the limitation of blockchain technology. First, lack of security. Yes, as we know, there is no concept of centralization of process. The whole process is based on the decentralization concept. So there is a possibility of more security breaches. Second, scalability. There is need of each and every transactions have to be verified by each and every node in the network. This can limit the speed of transactions, thus lead to scalability issue. Third, risk of errors. As blockchain technology requires large involvement of human beings, so this cannot be denied that error cannot happen. The risk increases when the blockchain technology is used as database. One minor inaccuracy makes the whole data questionable. Fourth, energy consumption. Blockchain technology requires a supercomputer or similar type of hardware resources for each transaction. This will lead to heavy energy consumption. Fifth, lack of certified professionals. As we know, blockchain technology is new to the industry, so there is lack of certified professional and highly skilled person. So today we have discussed the pros and cons of blockchain technology. If you have any questions, feel free to ask at abhishekanand8357 @gmail.com. Thank you everyone for your time today. Stay happy, be safe.